Hey everyone, welcome guys, welcome. Hey Dean, welcome Dean, welcome. Hey Joe, welcome Joe, welcome. Hey Solomon, welcome. Hey Tylak, welcome guys,
Hey,
welcome.
David.
Hello. I am going to share my screen here. Hold on. All right. All right. So you guys should see my screen here. Um, we are going to we'll go over the markets. We want to go in over any picks. All right. Hey Joe, welcome Joe. Any picks this evening, but we'll go over the markets. All right. Um, Look at this, guys. This is the Nas 100. All right. Look at the first trade here. All right. You guys know that we put in more focus on futures. All right. And these systems, they've been doing well. All right. US 30 did well. All right. Hey, Gerald. Welcome, Gerald. And look at this, right? NAS 100 trade. All right. Just a really good trade. Now, Dean, I know you traded this, Dean. Or you still, you just trading the move, right? You just trading the move right here,
Yeah,
Dean.
just trading it.
You just trading the move. All right. Good job. Did anyone else? Who else? Joe, who else has it? I Ty, like you, I don't know if you traded this, but great move, guys. Great move. We were talking about a break. It would break resistance here. So a nice break of resistance on the daily time frame right here. All right. So we can see it move even higher. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. All right. Look at this on the weekly. All right, buy signal on the weekly, guys. Look at the price action here. All right, here's the all-time high. Right, here's the all-time high on the Nasdaq. So we're not that far from the all-time highs, guys. The all-time high. So as we do have some resistance right here. Let me draw it in right here. All right, so we do have uh, on the weekly time frame though. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, so right here we've got some resistance, near-term resistance. Here we are right here. If we can break through that resistance, we can get a nice pop, guys, a nice move higher and perhaps start to test the highs right here. If we can break the highs, then we could go much higher. Okay, so just great move, right? Great move in the NAS 100. First trade, guys. This is the first trade, perfect trading for that system. Okay. All right. Now, the NAS 100 will trade a bit faster than the US 30. Okay. So just keep that in mind. All right. So watch your capital when you guys trade it. Okay. All right. All right. So the 60 minutes still holding. Buy signal is here. Look at that. Straight up, guys. All right. We were looking for a break right here on that trend line, that downward trend line, and we got it. All right. So here was that downward trend line, right? This is where it failed to be before. Failed here. Buy signal failed here. Buy signal failed here. This is the one, right? And we got in right about here is where we called it. So we needed the price action to get past this area here, that trend line. All right. So we got in right before the price broke out. All right. So good trading here. So those of you who got in, right. Good job, Dean. Good job. All right. Good job. Trading your system here. All right. US 30, the US 30, or US 30 traders, we should be out of the US 30. Okay. All right. So I know some of you traded this. All right, so good job staying with the trade. Buy signal was here. All right, sell signal is here. All right, so really good trade. Broke resistance here, right? broke support, sell signal, perfect trading. Absolutely perfect trading. Now on the daily time frame, all right, struggling a bit, all right, to break through resistance. All right, so just keep an eye on it. All right, stay with it. All right. All right. We could definitely get, buyers to come in, break through resistance. Okay. Um, but we could go short too. All right. Sellers could come back in and push the price down. They've been trading right between resistance here and support here. All right. So if we get sell short signals, all right, we can take it back down to support. Okay. So that's the trade right now. Right. But just keep in mind the short right now, we don't have any sell short signals. But again, right, if it comes in right here, here is where it made the high. Look at this here. This is where sellers came in before, right here. Okay. So this is where sellers came in before. All right. So if we break support here, red candle, we could get a sell short signal to go back down. All right. So we kind of stuck between support and resistance here for now on the US 30, but still great trading, guys. Great trading. To the downside, here was the shorts and then the longs right here. All right. Next week, we'll focus. We'll bring in the. We want to do these one at a time. So we'll bring in the S&P 500. Great trade going here. So we did not take this, but the next round of trades, we'll look to add the S&P 500. All right. Now it's somewhere in the middle, right? Not as it's not as fast as the Nas. All right, but fits right in the middle there between as far as the volatility, but a good trading opportunity with those systems. All right, let's take a look at current positions. All right, so current positions in bull mass monster scalper. So we'll start with monster scalper. Long positions this evening. Long positions. Hopefully, the yen pairs are doing well. Short. Pound SGD buy signal is here. That's holding. Pound CAD. All right, buy signal is here, still holding nicely. Good trade here going. You guys could have added here, right? You could have added here on the break of resistance here. Okay, that's pound CAD. All right, pound SGD. All right, buy signal is here. That's breaking resistance. If anyone is in it, this is an opportunity to add here. All right, the pound pairs are finally making a move higher, guys. Pound New Zealand sell signal came in here. All right, on a break of support here, big red candles. So we should be out of this trade here. So pound New Zealand, if you're in it, close the trade, get out. EURTRY buy signal is here. That's moving nicely, slowly upward. All right. Euro SGD buy signal is here. Held support moving up nicely. I would be careful adding here. We don't have a purple support and resistance here. So be careful adding there. Euro dollar. Look at the euro dollar, guys. Buy signal is here. Nice move. Nice move in the euro dollar. Euro HKD. All right. That's your Hong Kong. All right. Buy signal is here. Nice move, guys, in the euro pairs. All right. Aussie dollar. Buy signal is here. Nice move in the Aussie dollar. All right. So Forex is doing well. Remember, right? Especially we have a lot of new futures traders. Don't forget your monster scalper. All right. Still trade these. You will need these trades in addition to your US 30 and your NAS 100 trades, right? We need these trades here. So don't lose sight of that. Continue to trade monster scalper. Great trades going. All right. Aussie. So Aussie dollar, right? New Zealand CAD. right? New Zealand CAD buy signal is here. That's holding nicely there. And short positions. Let's take a look at the shorts in Monster Scalper. All right. All right. So shorts in Monster Scalper. And thanks to everyone, those of you, everyone who wished me a happy birthday. Thanks, guys. I wanted to do a earlier class, but decided to keep it at 7 p.m. Keep everything on track. We want to stay with these markets, okay? But thanks for wishing me a happy birthday, guys. New Zealand yen, that short position, close it. All right. Green candles came in here. All right, sell short signal. So close that New Zealand yen trade. That's too bad. That's too bad there. All right, that happened quickly there. So if you guys are anyone is in it, close it. All right. CAD yen. Sell short signal is here still holding. If it breaks support, that's an area to add to your position right here. But wait, right? We need that price to come down, break support. All red candles, nothing to do. Great trading going here with CAD yen. Sell short signal is here on a break of support, trading nicely there. All right. All right. SGD JPY, that's your Singapore yen. Sell short signal is here. Good trade going. All right. If it breaks support here, redistribution, remember that's new sellers entering the market. All right. You could get that's an opportunity to add to your position. All right. We have support down in, I guess right here is support right here. Next area of support is all the way down here. So it can certainly move a lot lower. All right. And that's SGD JPY. All right. All right. Swiss yen. Swiss yen. All right. Close that trade here. Sell short signal is here. Total reversal. Green candles. All right. So we should be out of that trade. All right. Swiss yen. Okay. Don't stay in because that can certainly move higher. All right. Pound yen, sell short signal is here. White candles here. Keep an eye on this one. Excuse me. Pound yen moves fast. All right. It moves really, really, really fast, guys. We do have purple support and resistance. That's good. Look for this candle here. If we can turn red, that's good. All right. And hopefully test the lows here. But get a green candle, get out quickly if you're in it short. Okay. That's pound yen. TRY JPY, sell short signal is here. That's trading nicely, slowly going down, but at least it's going down. Consolidating currently. It's a tight consolidation right here. All right, but definitely right in the markdown phase. And look at the previous trade. Right, sell short here, buy to cover, sell short, buy to cover. So really good trading with TRY JPY. And then the dollar pairs. Dollar ZAR, sell short signal is here. Right, nice move down. Okay, nice move down in the dollar. Right, dollar ZAR. USD PLN, sell short signal is here. All right, moving down nicely right here. USD HUF, look at this trade, guys. Look at this. USD HUF, sell short signal is here. Do not forget your monster scalper system. Amazing opportunities, guys. All right. So US, especially our monster scalper traders, right? We want to be all over these trades. USD CZK, sell short signal is here. Look at this. Nice move down. All right. Dollar CAD. Let me know if anyone is in any of the dollar pairs. I would like to know short. All right. USD CAD, sell short signal is here. Moving down nicely there. USD CNH, right? Sell short signal is here. All right. Good move down. Now, this has a long way to go, guys. We don't have any real support until right here. And here's the price action here. So if anyone is in it, just hold on. All right. We don't have any support and resistance right now. so it can move much lower. All right, much lower. Okay, that's UN, USD, CNH. So just hold on to the trades, let them run. Euro ZAR. All right, that's a new one here. Euro ZAR sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. We do have support down in this area here. Here was the previous short. All right, so hopefully, right, hopefully we can get down to support down here. All right, down here, and hopefully break through. But let's get down to this area first. All right, so if anyone is in it, good job. Pound ZAR. All right, pound ZAR. Sell short signal is here. Here's the previous short and support. You got some support, near-term support right here. All right, right here. And then we have further support down there. All right, so so far good price action. Yeah, okay. All right, so those are the shorts and longs in Monster Scalper. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Um, Forex dominator long positions. All right. Those yen pairs, we should be, and I'll find out here how the yen pairs, but we should be out of those yen pairs. All right. In Forex dominator. Excuse me. All right. USD CNH. All right. All right. We know those dollar pairs are moving lower. So you guys can close this trade. We'll leave it here. All right. But USD CNH, if you're in it, I would take profits here. All right. Take profits. You got two white candles here. You get a third candle. That could be a red candle sell signal to get out. So protect if you're in it. All right. Protect your profits. Right, this is where we know sellers came in before, right here. That's the high right here, right here, right here. This is where sellers came in, right? And this is where sellers could come in again. Okay, so I would consider this trade over, but we'll keep it in here for now. All right, but if you're in it, I would say close the trade, get out. Swiss yen is holding. That's surprising. Swiss yen is holding. Euro yen is holding still right here. White candle, green candle there. Pound yen is holding, and all of the other pairs, yen pairs we already got out. Those will give sell signals, red candles. All right, so these are the strongest ones so far. That's kind of bucking the trend there. All right, pound Aussie. All right, right here. Pound CAD. Right, breaking out here. Again, the pound pairs are trying to break out. Pound HKD, right? Buy signal is here. That's breaking out. All right, slowly, but they're breaking out. Pound New Zealand, NZD. Buy signal is here, holding here. Keep an eye on this one, okay? You have a lot of resistance right here. Right here, here. All right, struggling here. All right, so keep an eye on this one here. Even here, even we go back here. All right, so here, this is where sellers came in. Here, here. All right, and here we are testing support again. So just be careful if you're trading this. That's pound New Zealand. The other pound pairs are looking good though. Finally, pound SGD. All right, that's holding nicely. That's been trading well. Buy signal is here, trading up nicely. All green candles, nothing to do. If you're in this one here, this is one where you could just keep adding. Great trade going here. Not a lot of volatility in the price action, right? Not a lot of volatility, but just nicely, slowly moving higher. All right. So pound SGD. Too late to get in though. All right. So don't chase it. Pound dollar, buy signal is here. Pullback. Nice move here. Euro CAD. That's a new one. Buy signal here. All right. So our Forex dominator traders, if you're looking for a trade, all right. EuroCAD early buy signal right here. And so, all right, so keep that in mind there. EuroCAD, Euro HKD, all right, buy signal is here. That's moving up nicely there, all right. Euro dollar, right, almost identical. Buy signal is here, moving up nicely. So great trades, guys, great trades, all right. And we keep catching these rotations. If you notice, right, in Monster Scalper, Forex Dominator, we are catching these rotations. We are catching these moves. All right. And we are right now, we're about what, 80-90%, right, on the right side of the trade. And that's the goal. We always want to be on the right side of the trade with all these systems, okay, with all these systems. And we've been doing a great job of that. All right. So New Zealand dollar, right, buy signal. I had one of the traders contacted me, said, David, it doesn't look like we are following rotations, but we are, right? We are following the rotations. We're just getting in a little sooner. All right. So we're taking individual trades, but what you'll find out is that eventually that rotation will come in. All right. What we've done in the past, we've waited for rotations, and that rotation comes in, and sometimes we're in the middle of that rotation. All right, or even sometimes the end of that rotation. All right. So what we want to do now, and this is why we do this evening classes, right, to catch these rotations. You know, we might not catch the first couple of trades, right, because we need those first 2 or 3 trades to start that move, start that rotation. But after that, we'll get on these moves pretty quickly. All right, long and short doesn't matter, long and short. All right. So those are the long, good trades, guys. Great opportunities. Let's take a look at the shorts in Forex Dominator. Shorts in Forex Dominator. And these shorts are the dollar pairs. All right. So that's the short right now. All right. In Forex Dominator. All right. So dollar ZAR, USD ZAR, right? Sell short signal here, broke support, trading well so far. New trade going there. USD MXN, all right. Sell short signal here, going here. This was the previous short, all right. New short going there. USD CZK, right? Sell short signal here, nice break of support. Sell short signal here, this little triangle here, all right. Moving lower. We just need to break through this support right here. Good short trades here going. All right. Now, we talked about adding the weekly time frames. We'll add the weekly time frames next week. We'll look to upgrade those systems. All right. So if we bring in a weekly time frame, look at that here. All right. So that's if this breaks, guys, if it breaks, right, at weekly time frame right here, break support right here, that's a big support. All right, we could see that move a lot lower. Okay. All right. All right. USD SGD, same thing. All right. Sell short signal is here, moving nicely lower. All right. USD DKK, sell short signal is here, breaking support right here. Look at this, guys. Good price action. We could see the dollar. Look at USD, dollar Swiss. Hope you. I know you can't trade everything, right? But there are opportunities all over the place here. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. Dollar Swiss and USD NOK. Look at that, guys. Sell short signal is here. Look at this move, right? Great moves down. Very good moves down. All right. Now keep in mind, right? Keep in mind, right, that the dollar index. Where is it? Right. Here's the dollar index. See the dollar index breaking support here, guys? We talked about this. Dollar index, that $100 mark, that $100 mark, right? That's a big number for traders, right? And finally broke today, right? So it broke that $100 mark, and look what happened to the dollar there. All right, so keep those shorts going. All right, on the big picture for the dollar. Where is the dollar? We don't have. I thought I had a dollar here. Let's see here. Hold on. All right, let's bring in that dollar. All right, here, that's the, and we'll leave it up. Here's the dollar. You guys know we've been watching the dollar, big picture, right? And this is where, right, pretty good resistance here, right? Resistance right here, coming back down is support. And look here, right? We broke through, right? We broke through that support right here. So now, right, the target is, as things change, the target is back to about 89. All right, so it's at 99 now. All right, support is about right here. All right, that's a lot of selling. All right, that's a lot of selling in 1 week. Okay, in the dollar. So those dollar trades, short trades, those are great trades, guys. Great trades. Okay, so all right. And you guys see that price action here with the pairs, with the dollar pairs. Don't chase them. If you did not get in at those sell short signals, don't get in now. Okay. All right. Stock Boss. Let's take a look at the stocks in Stock Boss and Bullmaster. The market was slightly up today. We were hoping that the US 30 would move higher, but the market, it wasn't down, it just stayed low. So that didn't help. All right, let's make sure that these trades are holding, and they should. All right, when we ran this yesterday, they would look well. All right, all green candles. All right, shouldn't have any red candles, but we might. White candles, will monitor those closely. As long as we've got green candles and they're moving higher. We will not see the equity markets really move unless we see the Dow. The Dow has to break out of that resistance. Now the Nas has broken out, S&P has broken out, but we need the Dow to break out. I mean, most traders will follow the S&P, but I think the broad market, I think, everyone else, retail traders really like to follow the Dow. So we see the Dow break out, we could see this market really, really, really break out. Right. So far, no white candles, guys. Isn't that amazing? That's really cool. No white candles. Oh, spoke too soon. SOUN, white candle there, but it's holding support well. So if you're in it, just hold on. All right, all green. Look at that, all green candles. Nothing to do with Stock Boss. Let's see how many. Let's bring this here. And again, we won't look at picks this evening. Okay. We'll do that on Sunday. Start fresh on Sunday. Um, Stock boss, let's see. All right, look at that. 148, 148 stocks in stock boss. So they're buying again. All right. So we'll look for new opportunities on Sunday. All right. Okay, Bull Master. That's a lot. Heat seeker is moving. All right. So Bull Master here. Same thing. Our option traders, that's a good time to trade options. All right. ASA white candle. Keep an eye on that one there. ASA, ASAI. AZTA red candle. All right. So if anyone is in it, close it. Buy signal is here. Red candle, gap down. Right, close the trade. Take that small loss. That small loss, right, can turn into a big loss if we don't get out. Right, we don't want this to happen. We don't want this to happen. Just take the loss. All right, take the loss. No big deal. All right. Nicely in the markup phase. A lot of these. And we got these at the buy signal, guys. So these are trading well. I like doing this so you guys can see the progress, right? The buy signal. All right. LEGN. All right, white candles there. So just hold on to it. If we bring in a trend line, you guys will notice that it's still holding the trend line here. So don't be too quick to get out. All right, we can get buyers to come back in. So if you're in it, you get a white candle, pay attention, but just hold it. All right, market is bullish, so we could get buyers to come back in there. All right, kind of just like this one, LITE, white candle. Look here, green candle. Buyers are coming back in there. Okay. So these are holding. We're halfway in Bullmaster. All of these are nicely in the markup phase. Some of them are early in the markup phase. Really good trading by the system. But the market helps too. Right? The market is bullish. Right? Very good. Good price action, guys. In these stocks. Look at this. And if we get all-time highs, we could see these stocks move much, much, much higher. All right. So good job in Bullmaster holding these trades. Good job in Stock Boss holding these trades. Okay. We'll take a look at the major indexes. Take a look at the sectors, and then we'll be done. All right. Okay, so Dow is holding. We do need the Dow to break, guys. We needed to break resistance, move higher. All right, it's still really, and that will help the US 32. All right, so it's really caught right here. Here is resistance. So if the Dow breaks out, even when it does, right, we'll call it. And just be ready, especially our US 30 traders. Okay. All right. So if you guys look here, we did this a similar thing here with the NAS on the 60-minute time frame. But I want you guys to see this here, especially our US 30 traders. Okay. This is where we are. This is where we are with the Dow. All right. Nice upward trend line here. Perfect upward trend line. Price is being squeezed. This is resistance here, 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 here. All of this is resist, and it's just holding, waiting for buyers, guys. Okay. If we get a break, we'll see. Right. We can see buyers really jump in. Okay. Our US 30 traders, I know we have a sell signal to get out, but just pay attention to your system, right? You get another buy signal, right? You want to get on that trade. Don't wait. Another buy signal, get on that trade, because we could break through. All right. The Nasdaq is breaking through. The S&P is breaking through, not all-time highs, but they're breaking resistance. All right. Here's the Nasdaq here, broke resistance today. All right. Look at this price action. The other indexes will follow. All right. So here is the S&P here following. All right. That buy signal is here. Look at that, broke resistance. All right. Broke resistance yesterday and today. Okay. Even the Russell, right, is jumping in on the action here. All right. So, but the Dow will help the overall market will really move, right, if the Dow can start breaking out. Okay. All right. Here's the Russell. Russell is breaking out here out of this resistance here. So even the Russell, which tends to lag, is also moving. And VIX is at 1361. That's a great VIX. Okay. Those of you who are in positions and you want to be a bit more selective, all right, you can, let's see here. All right. Consumer discretionary. So as you look through your heat seeker, all right, there are a lot of trades that we can take. All right. But if you want, especially if you want to trade options, right, consumer discretionary, that's your top trending sector right now. All right. The second one is home builders. All right. So you can look for those stocks when you run through your heat seeker. The third one is industrials. Buy signal here. These are the top moving sectors. All right. So if you want to specialize a bit, you can certainly do that. Technology, buy signal is here, breaking resistance here, purpose support and resistance, but it looks like it could get past that. All right. The next one here, services here, right? Buy signal here. Look at that, breaking resistance. All right. And I think that's the gold. Don't do anything with gold. All right. But those are the top sectors here. All right. So if you want to put more capital to work, all right, you want to trade some calls, focus on these here. All right. Focus on these here. All right. All right. All right, guys. That's all I've got. I will see. We'll have a beginner's class on Saturday. All right. On Saturday. And then we'll start all over again on Sunday. And we'll go through picks. If we find any good picks, we'll send those out for Stock Boss. But you guys know your futures traders or Forex traders, you guys you get picks all the time. So, but equity traders, right? Stock Boss, Bull Master Traders will get those new picks on Sunday. All right, guys, take care. Have a great weekend. All right, and I'll see everyone on Saturday. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.
Good night.
Thanks, David.
Welcome, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Good night.